Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Listen to English podcast. This podcast is for A1 learners. Today's topic is very practical, asking for directions. When you travel, or even in your own city, you often need to ask for directions. In this episode, we will listen to conversations, learn useful words, and practice how to give and understand directions. Let's begin. Conversation 1.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the train station.
The train station? It's not far. Go straight ahead, then turn left.
Go straight, then turn left. Okay.
Yes. After about 5 minutes, you will see the station on the right.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Did you hear the phrases, excuse me, go straight, turn left, on the right? These are very common. Conversation 2.
Excuse me, where is the museum?
The museum? It's a little far. You can take the bus.
Oh, which bus should I take?
Take bus number 5. It stops in front of the museum.
Thank you. How long does it take?
About 15 minutes.
Great. Thanks for your help.
No problem. Enjoy the museum.
Sometimes the place is far away, so people may tell you to take a bus, train, or taxi. Vocabulary and phrases. Here are some useful words and phrases from today's podcast. Repeat after me if you can. Excuse me?
A polite way to start speaking to someone.
Excuse me, where is the bathroom?
Can you help me?
Another polite way to ask for help.
Can you help me? I am looking for the supermarket.
Go straight ahead.
Walk or drive forward without turning.
Go straight ahead for 2 blocks.
Turn left. Turn right.
Directions to move to the left or right.
Turn right at the traffic light.
On the left. On the right.
To say the place is on one side.
The school is on the left.
Near. Far.
To describe distance.
The cafe is near the bus stop. The airport is far from the city.
How long does it take?
Asking about time.
How long does it take to walk there?
Take the bus. Take the train.
When the place is far.
Take the bus to the shopping center.
Let's practice together. I'll say a question and you try to answer in your mind.
Excuse me, where is the bank? Excuse me, how can I get to the park? How long does it take to get to the airport?
Great job today! We practiced asking for directions, learned phrases like, excuse me, go straight ahead, turn left, and also how to say if something is near or far. Now it's your turn. Can you write one direction in your city? For example, the post office is near the park. Go straight and turn left. Write it in the comments. Thank you for listening to Listen to English podcast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends. See you in the next episode.